Chevrolet El Camino to take a look at here at Unique Specialty and Classics. As you can see, kind of an indigo blue paint, I would call it. Paint has a nice shine coming off it. It does show imperfections here and there. I'll try to point some of them out as we go along just to kind of give you an idea, but as you can see, nice reflection and shine coming off that. There are some spots where it has been touched up just a tad. Underneath the hood, 305 V8 powered. That is paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Should take a look at the chrome up here. Headlight surrounds, grille. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can always call us at 507-386-1726. Take a look up and down passenger side of this car. BF Goodrich radials and a little later model Chevy wheel. We may have found those in the later model El Caminos. Here's one spot where you can see gonna need a little TLC as far as the mirrors on there fine, but we do have some cracking in the paint around it. There's also some spare parts that come with this, and one of those things is a pair of rear side mirrors. Interior black vinyl buckets, center console, shifter on the column. And we'll start it up, check out that interior a little closer. As you can see, shaved door handles. We get around to the driver's side. I'm going to show you where the popper is for that. Side straight. There you can see a nice reflection. Backup lights in the tailgate on the 72. Dual exhaust. Go ahead and take a peek at the bed, which is painted to match. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Want to see the underside pictures, engine bay? Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. That button for the door popper is approximately at the door seam here. Let's get it lined up, so right there. Just go ahead and reach under. Right there it is. It's kind of just behind that door seam. Take a look at the vinyl seats. Tilt column. Again, power steering, power brakes. 305 underneath the hood. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Dash needs a little bit of TLC. There was a box with an extra dash pad in it also. That will be included with the purchase of this. Door closes nicely. Slip around in the back. A little rumble coming out of that 305. Good sounding small block Chev. Alright, I'm going to pause this 1 second, slip up to the front here, this pop the hood, let you check out the engine bay, take a look at the engine running.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Nice and tidy underneath the hood itself. Here's the engine bay. HEI ignition also. 305, small block Chevy powered. Nicely equipped with steering and brakes. Full power. There you go, 1972 Chevrolet El Camino. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.